Yo, first order of the day. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $9, going 3 miles, only 2 items. Should be pretty easy. Are you kidding me, dude?
You were there a second ago.
I was.
I didn't do that, did I?
No.
Well, I'm very sorry. I was lined up right next to his door.
I think we're all good.
Welcome.
The only one I see is this, but it's not marking it as the right thing. Oh, now it is.
Please scan it now. Number.
So anyways, I think I started recording right after, but I'd already pulled up. I'd already parked. And like 10 seconds later, somehow, I don't even know, dude. Honestly, even if they did up my car, I wouldn't have cared. It's more of an annoyance and them lying, saying I wasn't there a few seconds ago, even though I pulled in right when they pulled in. They took the spot in front of me. I took the one right behind them. We both parked, and then like 10 seconds later, they started backing up, trying to get into mine. Honked at them like 4 times, still bumped into me, and then hopped out saying, oh, you weren't there a few seconds ago. Like, bro. Anyways, we're almost there. Hopefully it's not upstairs, but most likely it is going to be. Just got my next order, but I'm gonna fill up with gas first because I already pulled up when I received it. This is gonna be for Seize the Bagel, $7.25, going like 3.5 miles. Hello, I need 30 on 11.
30 on 11.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for 7-Eleven. This is $6.75, going less than a mile. This is all it, right? Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hi, that was so fast.
Yeah, I was right next to it.
Thank you.
That's what she said. All right, got my next order. As I was pulling up to this place, it is gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8, going 4 miles, 2 items.
Access granted.
Here you go.
This is not one, is it? Where is this place? I love when the apartments are not correctly pinned. My favorite. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This one's gonna be $7.25, going about 4 miles. Not the greatest, especially considering it's IHOP. Let's do it anyways. Thank you. You too. I don't know if this place is open yet, but we've got a Taco Bell, $7 and some change, going about 2.5 miles. I mean, there's a couple cars here. I think those might be employee cars, so maybe.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. I feel like Taco Bell is always 50-50, but we got the good 50 this time around. Got my next order right away. This one's gonna be for Starbucks, $8 and some change, going just under 3 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Fricani. I got my next order as I was pulling out of there. This one's gonna be for a different Starbucks, $8 going 3 miles. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your patience.
Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for Chick-fil-A, $8.75 going 3.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's going to be $8 going 4 miles.
I'm just backing up for you.
Thank you.
Here's for JD. Stay blessed. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's gonna be $11 going 4 miles.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
All right, back at it again with another Chick-fil-A order. This one's gonna be $8.50 going just under 4 miles.
What are the names on
Is that Samuel? Thank you.
Sorry about that.
You're all good, thank you. I don't know if I actually mentioned it, but for the first time in like years, I had like a little challenge thing on DoorDash. It was telling me that if I did 5 orders within today, that I would get an extra 50 bucks. And that last one should have been it. Current total is 92. I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so let's say like 96, plus the DoorDash challenge should bring me up to 146. Anyways, current time is 12:10. I just realized that I did that whole thing backwards. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.